Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have got another variation for the BoxyCharm October base box. And I'm also going to go over the other box that was actually leaked, as well as the rest of the spoilers for base, and then the spoilers that we have so far for the October premium box. So guys, if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the Ipsy October full spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Amy Leo Goddess. Amy says, I hope you are doing well too, sweetheart. Thanks for the updates. Well, Amy, honey, you are more than welcome, and I couldn't be more grateful for you, honey. Thank you so much for having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, we are going over the October BoxyCharm boxes. I've got a new variation of the base box, and we're going to go over the box that was leaked, as well as the spoilers that we have so far for the October premium box. So let's go ahead and get started with the base box. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the new variation that we just got. Now, I don't know what number variation box this one is, but we do know that we have the number 24, and that was the leaked box. So again, this is the new one. This one shows the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bee face palette, as well as the Farsali Quench Replenishing Serum. Now, some new stuff is the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. Now, guys, I also seen this called the Matte Balancing Moisturizer. Now, I don't know if that's 2 different types of this product or if it's just all called that. I'll correct it up here, whichever one I do find out. Next up is another new item. This is the Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo. Now, it does have the shade Be Peachy as well as the shade So Gorgeous. And then last in this box, and this is again another new spoiler, this is the Frank Body Glow Mask. So guys, we did get a couple of new spoilers in that new variation right there. So tell me what you think about that one. Now guys, let's go ahead and go over the number 24 variation that was actually leaked. So in this variation, it's the Luxe Beauty Wanderlust 5-piece brush set, as well as the Ciate London The Editor eyeshadow palette in New England. Then also the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, as well as the Sponge Gel Cherry Tonka Musk Multi-Use Body Wash Infused Buffer. And then last in this box is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted, is it Cupico Lip Butter? I probably butchered that, guys. Now guys, for the palette variations for the base box is actually the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bee Face Palette. You'll either get that palette or the Ciate London The Editor eyeshadow palette in New England, or you will be getting the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. Now guys, some more spoilers for this box is, first of all, the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Setting Mist. And then if you remember the choice items, which of course the Farsali was a choice item, as well as the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. Now another choice item was the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. And another choice item was the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Face Palette. So guys, let me know what you think about these 2 variations down in the comment section. And of course, let me know what you're hoping to get in your box. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the spoilers that we have so far for the October Premium box. The first thing is the Murad Hydrating Toner Spray. You'll either get that or the Clarins Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch Primer. And then we have the choice items, which is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil, which is their foundation, and then the Kosas Powder Blush Duo. I don't know the exact name. I'll put it up here. Now, you could either get one of those two items, or you could actually get the cream version of the Kosas Blush Duo. So I think that's really neat that they got actually an option for you, so I do like that. So guys, this has just been confirmed for the premium box. Is the Illuminati and Isabel Bedoya eyeshadow palette. So guys, let me know what you think about all these items down in the comments section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Casey Spurry. Casey said, "Hey, love your videos." Well, Casey, honey, that makes me feel so good, and I'm so glad that you are enjoying them. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you guys. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.